Nicole Perry here. Happy Indigenous Peoples Day. I keep forgetting that it's still the weekend, but it's 2 o'clock here on Monday, October 12th, and my workshop that I'm just freaking over the moon excited about teaching starts on Wednesday. And I just wanted to share who really the workshop is for. Because, of course, I'm bringing my functional expertise of the 8 years that I have been at the radio station at WATD. And I do bring, very comprehensive information, is the compliment that I received by Sam Allen. Thank you, Sam. I'll tag you in this. And I the workshop is for the person who has wanted to do a podcast and really wants to hit the ground running by the time January hits. So the workshop is 4 weeks. It starts Wednesday, and it's really for the person who wants to take charge of these next couple of months and do something about their desire to have their podcast come to fruition. So I'm going to be teaching all kinds of information about what I have learned and really guide you. And it has nothing to do with my podcast. It's I'm sharing the stuff that I've learned, but I'm really guiding everybody to take this information and really run with it. You'll be able to carve out a plan and have ideas. I don't want to give anything away. It's in the workshop. It's 5 weeks actually. And I just want to I don't want to give anything away here, but I want to give away everything in the workshop about all of my professional secrets and information that I've learned over the years. So, and again, it's for the person who is ready to hit the ground running, at some point over the next 2 or 3 months. And uh, ideally, the people that want to hit the ground running before January hits and get ahead of maybe competitors or anybody else that's thinking about doing it. And there are people that did take my workshop and are already creating their podcasts, and they're amazing. So, and two of those people that are doing it are Michelle Werdeman, and I'll tag you on this, and Fran Lambert. So they've already got it rocking and rolling and started, and it's happening, and they can't believe it's happening. And anyway, I'm just really excited. And so message me below if you're interested, and I'll get you signed up. And it's as easy as like a 1, 2, 3, boom, done. You'll be in it. And if you can't make it Wednesday, I'm recording. So there's really no excuse. If you're ready to do this, this is who I want to reach. I want to reach the people who are ready to make their podcast happen. And and just need a little bit of guidance and support. And you're going to get a lot of guidance and support. What can I say? So, thank you so much for listening and have a great week, everybody.